If you are watching our video for the first time, click the subscribe button for more interesting videos and click the bell icon to receive instant notification whenever we upload a new video. Hi, here I am going to do a sun-like design in Aari with tube bits, long tube bits and pearl. Take a cotton thread, leave the pearl and long tube bits and lock it. Locking means like chain you have to give. Again in the side I am giving a chain. Give a long chain in the line and give a pearl and tube beads. So outside to inside you have to give, should not go from inward to outward. So in between I have drawn the circle. With the measurement of kundan I have drawn the circle. So in the round we'll be applying the glue and sticking the round kundan. Do the same for remaining lines also. After completing, apply the glue in the middle, stick the kundan. Thank you. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you. Have a good day.